Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by establishing scale and reference so proportions are accurate. Open your side and top blueprints, set units to meters, and position images on orthographic views. Start blocking the main volumes with cubes and planes, applying a mirror modifier on the x-axis to work symmetrically. Once the primary silhouette matches the references, move vertices to define cab, boiler, and car body. Make sure the object origin sits at the wheel center. This simplifies later transforms and rigging. You now refine geometry for clean topology and correct silhouette. Insert edge loops to control curvature and use proportional editing to shape panels without creating poles. Extrude window and door recesses, then bevel edges and add crease where you want sharpness. This prevents smoothing artifacts when subdividing. For wheels, model a single rim and use array with curve modifier to place wheel sets evenly. Keep quads where possible. Once the midforms read correctly, apply a subdivision surface modifier for previewing fine. You finish by unwrapping UVs along panel seams, assigning PBR materials, and baking normal and ambient occlusion maps for crisp surface detail. Set up an H-drive for lighting, place a camera at 16:9, and tweak render settings for denoising and samples. Once done, inspect geometry for flipped normals, non-manifold edges, and incorrect modifier order. These are common render culprits. If shading looks odd, recalc normals, check subdivision and mirror order, and rebake maps to resolve artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.